Hey guys, if you're wondering why I'm in a bathing suit, it's because, as I said yesterday, I'm going to a party on my friend's boat. But first, it's a whole group of my friends. Yeah, so my friend's coming to pick me up. I just need to get dressed in regular clothes, obviously. I'm putting this under, and then I need to pack my bag, and then I'm going to be set to go. So yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. The vlog's going to be up really late today because then after that I have rehearsal at 10 o'clock. So that's fun. But yeah, I really like this bathing suit. As you can see, it's Target. It's the fake triangle bathing suit. I had it this summer too. It's really cute. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in the car. And I need to brush my hair. Oh, so my friend's coming now. So yeah. Hey guys, so we're in the boat. Sorry for speaking really low because my friends are right outside. And as you can see, I'm in my bathing suit, and if you guys can see this here, I'll show you. I'm in the bathroom right now. I'm sorry if it's really rocky, just because the boat is shaking. Oh, I'm in the bathroom, yeah. Pretty, the water is so pretty.
Simon concert. But obviously that doesn't trump meeting him.
Yeah, my grandma's in love.
Oh my god, his son passed away a few months ago. Todd.
Hi.
I wish that bird would stop chirping. Still, we'll find a production with Michael Scott's name written on it.
And then they showed the end of the episode,
They showed him.
It's like,
dun dun.
Special edition. Hamilton. We are waiting in
Your
the
mom
wings
is
for
Alexander
you.
Hamilton. Oh, sorry, dude.
Sorry, bro. Tell me your thoughts on this song. Yeah, tell me your thoughts.
It's a little crazy,
Yeah.
to say the least.
Well, you're so used to the Broadway stuff.
That's not one. Hey, how are you? Sorry, my phone was in the
You're
cabin
so
when
used to tradition.
you texted me. So, no, we're heading back right now, actually. Chanukah in the camp.
I look so stoned right now. I promise I'm not. Maybe Holden is, but definitely not me. I really want to meet you. Maybe really not. I look disgusting. I look bald. What is my hair?
I love it's like grease.
I want to explain right now how pretty the view is. If you look there, and you look there, you can see the whole city. I'll try. Let's look at it. So pretty. Look at that. Look at it. It's so much better in real life. It's so gorgeous. Look there. You can't see it. Look. It's so pretty though. We're matching. Hey guys, Veronica takeover. Hey guys, Veronica takeover. My hair just got stuck in her body. My hair got basically, we're almost there, and we're taking you in my way. Oh my gosh, Jules! So are you gonna go in the evening?
I'm in the bathroom of JCat right now. So we got off the boat, we went in the pool. I can really film because, it's the pool. I'm with David. If you saw my friend, he's the one that took me. He's the guy looking in his 20s-ish. guess, I don't know if I showed him. I probably didn't show him. But anyways, we do JCat together. Actually, everybody that was there, we do JCat together. And it's a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. You saw the kid that like was my age. Yeah, his family has the yacht. He owns the yacht. And sorry for like really weird. Like if a lot of the songs you probably, if you didn't recognize the song, it's because they were like Broadway songs. Some I didn't even recognize, but obviously they did because like I mean like I don't really listen to music that much. But anyways, so yeah, so I'm in the theater and I'm in the bathroom. And if you can hear it in the bathroom, probably not. I mean in the background, probably not. They're in rehearsal, and I'm only doing tech for this show because it's an adult play, and I'm helping David, which is the older, like he's like 20s, like 21, I think he's, yeah. But yeah, so I'll catch you guys when I'm at home. And sorry the vlog was up so late yesterday, or like 2 days ago for you guys, whatever. The 4th night of Hanukkah. It's because I wanted to go to sleep early that night because I wanted to wake up early for today. So yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, oh sorry for that bright screen. It's Zoe. So it is currently 11:52 and I'm struggling to get this video up. It says 5 minutes remaining. It's 11:52, so that would make it like 2 minutes till midnight. But technically if you start uploading it before midnight, then it's supposed to work. I doubt there's even going to be a thumbnail. Like it's probably going to be, I'm probably going to do it tomorrow because like nobody, like barely anybody watches these videos, but whatever. I think they're fun. And so as you can see, today was very eventful. Lots and lots of footage. My friends and I were really crazy. Like, yeah. Just so you know, that is not my boat. I wish that was my boat. That was my friend's boat. The guy that you saw, that was his boat. And like I know I already said that, but whatever. That was his boat. So yeah. I was struggling to like edit it. I didn't even edit it. I like just input some music on like one part. If you guys saw it already, you know what part. But it says 4 minutes remaining and it's 11:53. So yeah, but I think I'm gonna call it good night. So I call it a night. And yeah, love you guys. Bye.